Welcome to our Rolling Strong video library, a series designed to help you maintain a better life on the road.
Hi, I'm Christy Coughlin, Wellness Coach with Rolling Strong. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with others, subscribe to the Rolling Strong YouTube channel, and click on the bell for notifications so you hear about our future videos. Try making one of my favorite snacks, peanut butter bites. It's a healthy snack that you can freeze and enjoy for a few weeks. These bites take about 10 minutes to make, contain only 5 ingredients, require no baking, and dirty 1 bowl, so cleanup is easy. Many store-bought snacks are loaded with unhealthy fats, sugar, and mysterious chemical ingredients that we don't understand. Making your own snacks allows you to control the ingredients, limit the fat and sugar, and save money. The beauty of these snacks is that they fill you up and will help get you to the next meal without overeating on things you shouldn't be eating. The peanut butter has healthy fat. The oats have fiber. The flax meal has healthy fat, fiber, and protein. The honey and the chocolate chips will satisfy your sweet tooth while still delivering a healthy, satisfying snack. All you have to do is add all the ingredients to the 1 bowl. So you're going to take a cup of peanut butter, and again, we're using that peanut butter that only has 1 ingredient, peanuts. And this is actually the hardest part of the recipe, is measuring and getting the peanut butter into the bowl. So that's a cup of peanut butter. Then we're going to add a cup and a half of old-fashioned oats, a 1/4 cup of honey. You can also use agave nectar, a 1/4 cup of the flax meal, a teaspoon of vanilla, and mix that all together. And then add a 1/2 cup of mini chocolate chips. So give it a good mixing, and then we'll form it into some bites. All right, so you've mixed all your ingredients together. It's kind of mushy. So now you're going to take your clean hands and form them into 20 bites, and you're going to put them on a big plate and place the plate in the freezer so that they can freeze separated from each other. You don't want to put them in a storage container all next to each other because it'll just be one big frozen clump. So just get your hands a little dirty, reach in there, grab a little bit of the mixture and roll it into a little ball, put it on your plate, and you have weeks of a healthy snack to enjoy on the road, great for your kids' school lunches. If you're home, you can reach into the freezer and grab one. Just let them defrost for a minute or 2 and they'll be ready to go. And I've got one that is already frozen here. You can see it's a really nice little bite, and it is a delicious way to satisfy your hunger and give yourself a nutritious snack. So try my healthy peanut butter bites. This is Christy Coughlin, Wellness Coach with Rolling Strong.
Look to more Rolling Strong videos providing insights and tips dedicated to a healthier life on the road.